Hi, Collective. I'm pulling on the energies for you today. I pulled a Celtic cross, and I'm going to clarify it, and I'll just catch you up as I go. But in the current position, I got you sitting here seeing that everything that glitters isn't gold. You're looking for things with equal reciprocity so that you can build and grow with this Empress. You want to create new. All right, let's clarify that. The Pilgrim. Possibly you are foreign to your country, or you're planning on going somewhere else. You have a vision to create this new world. You have dealt with or are dealing with chaos and conflict. And this chaos and conflict is clarified by the Ace of Cups. The chaos coming at you is to try to prevent you from getting your unconditional love. Let's clarify that. Ooh. The Creator. Yeah, the chaos and conflict was to block you off from your unconditional love, from the Creator, from the divine. Deep down, you're super happy. Happy. And you know that there's some kind of good news coming in. You know something good is about to happen. You have a feeling. I'm going to clarify that. The Shaman. Deep down, you know you're a healer. And that's going to propel you forward in your life. In your ventures. In your conscious mind, right here and now, you're a high priest, high priestess, highly intuitive. Possibly you do divination. In the recent past, I have that you created a new life for yourself. You created this new life and you put a lot of hard work into it. And part of that hard work is manifestation. Hummingbirds are manifestation. That's what they symbolize to me anyway. Small intent equals huge action. Because the universe is backing you up. All right, let's clarify that. You dropped your mask in the past so that you could start this new life. And you made a commitment to doing so. You made a commitment to being 100% genuine, 100% yourself. In the near future, I got soulmates clarified with Six of Swords. So in the near future, it looks to me like you are going to be coming to calmer waters with a soulmate. That could be a lover, it could be family, friend, but a soulmate, somebody you love. Let's clarify. The Father. This person could be a father. This person could be your father. And the Sword. They have some truth to tell you. Let me clarify that some more. Ooh. It was ready. The hunter. This person could be a hunter. Or they're very driven. In your feelings, I've got TikTok. And I clarified that with inverse Seven of Cups and Judgment. This tells me that you feel like it's time for people to come out of the illusions and to ascend already. That's how you feel about it. Maybe you're getting a little impatient with people waking up. Let's clarify that. The Queen. This is somebody who's exalted. This is somebody that you hold in an exalted state. You are waiting for somebody to come out of the illusions and to ascend and become the king or queen that you know they are. You also feel like you have a leg up in some unfinished business that's been held up for a little while. Let's clarify that. The comic. You've got a good sense of humor. That's your leg up. That's how you handle this unfinished symphony. Try to keep a light spirit about it. In the environment, someone sees you as blessed. These cards are so hard to pick up off this class, but they see you as blessed, and they also see you as a Queen of Wands energy. People in your environment see you as very attractive, very magnetic, very personable, little mysterious maybe, magical. Let's clarify that with the Mystic. People in your environment are looking at you like you're just this super attractive mystic. In the final outcome, I get that you've got a message coming. And this message is either coming from a King of Pentacles, or this message is going to bring you to the King of Pentacles energy, where you're in boss status, highly financially set, and highly intuitive even. All right, let me switch decks. Ooh, I got tongue-tied right at the end there. What happened? It's this message. Whoever's sending you this message is very nervous about it. They're tongue-tied. That's possibly why things have been delayed here. It looks like there's been a little bit of a delay of some kind of a message. You're keeping it light. All right, let me pull these tarot. You have a vision of a new world. You're holding on to that vision. You're defeating any kind of conflict or chaos. Trying to disconnect you from the divine. You're tapped in. Right here and now, you're totally tapped in. You're a shaman, a healer. Deep down you are. Maybe some of your ancestors that are trying to connect with you, because since it's in the subconscious, maybe they were shaman and they're moving through you to help heal you and others and teach you what it was to be a shaman back in the day or whatever. Wow, I get Emperor. So I got Empress in the current position. And now I get Emperor. So we have the Emperor and the Empress. That could be you unifying with self. Your divine masculine and divine feminine sides are in balance. Or that could be you uniting with somebody else. Or you are united with somebody else. So, take it how it fits, but it looks like this Emperor energy might be dealing with some kind of a drug problem. Just saying. Alright, let's clarify chaos and conflict. 5 of Cups. Clarifying chaos and conflict is bye, bitch. Yeah, you're saying goodbye to anything that has any inkling of conflict or chaos in it. You're just like, oh, hell no. I'm out. I'm out. Don't got time for that. Deep down, you know that when these people wake up, it's going to be a very happy beginning. It's going to be it's just going to be a happy beginning. Clarifying here and now. You're the High Priestess. I didn't clarify that with an archetype card. Oh well. Yeah, the days of the Nine of Swords are over. We got this in reverse. Here and now, you have no anxiety, no sleepless nights. You're sleeping great. You're feeling great. You're tapped in. God's talking to you directly. And you're feeling peaceful. Real peaceful. All right, in the past, I get the King of Cups and the Hermit inverted. Clarifying this new life. So in the past, you had to let go of narcissists, people that were draining you emotionally, and you had to let go of being around people all the time, seeking love all the time. You had to let that go in the past for your new life. You forwent all that for your new life. All right, let's clarify soulmates. Soulmates coming into the future. Ten of Swords and Seven of Wands. Ooh. So this person has betrayed you in the past. And you're feeling a little defensive right now, it looks like. Cause you a little disarray. Yeah, you're on the defense with this person, this soulmate, this hunter that's bringing in truth, father. Okay. All right. Let's clarify TikTok. You're waiting for people to wake up. You're waiting for them to step into their royal power. Hierophant. And you're leading the way. You feel like you're doing whatever you can to help show them how to get where they need to go. Doesn't mean it's easy, but you're trying. All right, let's clarify your feelings. You have a leg up in this situation, this unfinished symphony of waiting. You're keeping a good sense of humor about it all. Let's clarify. 4 wands, inverted. Yeah, this looks to me like it looks to me like it's some kind of disarray, community disarray that has been caused, or that caused this hang up. An unstable community, gossip, whatever, put this person in their head and yeah, drew them away from the relationship and left it unfinished. They left it completely unfinished. And yeah, you're just trying to keep a light heart about it. In the environment, people see you as blessed, as gorgeous, magnetic, a mystic, and they see you making plans for your future. They see you leaving behind what you do not like and going for what it is that you see that you like. You're not messing around at this point, and that's what they see. In the final outcome, we have that message coming in that either you're going to be financially stable, or somebody like this is coming in. You have a message coming in, 2 of Pentacles. It's going to balance out your finances. It's going to make you have plenty. It's going to turn you into a boss. Everything's changing. This message, I'm not sure that's crazy, just one message, but okay. Let's clarify. What is this message? Maybe we can find out. I doubt it, but we'll try. This message is coming in the mail. It's another message card. Yeah, Spirit's not going to tell you the message. It's a surprise. But it could be coming in snail mail. So I'm going to leave it at that, collective. I will get back to you very soon. I hope you enjoyed that and have a beautiful day. Thank you.